Hello everyone. Have you ever feel frustrated when you feel like your colleague didn't trust you? Yeah, today I wanted to share this trust triangle of about what I learned from Harvard Business School. So this trust triangle is proposed by Professor Francis Free from Harvard Business School and Anne Morris in the book of Unleashed. I would like to share my understanding. So they are proposing that there are three dimensions that will impact how much people will trust you. So authenticity, logic, and empathy. So authenticity, yeah, it's really about whether people can experience the real you. So that explained whenever there is a new leadership team colleague like join the company, they like to share the hobbies, the family members, and many of those personal stuff, right? And then the logic is really about whether people could feel like if you are a reasonable person or your judgment is sound or not. And the empathy is the ones about whether people can feel like you care about them, you care about their success, right? You could think from their perspective. But actually, during the leadership like program, I learned how to apply them to workplace. For example, for the empathy, right? So they give example of what is real empathy that a meeting host could show when host a meeting. So they talked about. I summarized them actually into three things. Um, Before the meeting, you needed to share a clear agenda. During the meeting, you needed to make sure you encourage everyone to speak, to share the comments, and different perspectives are welcomed, right? And and you need to provide the different ways for people to participate in the meeting. So that refers to like whether people wanted to attend the meeting live or like listen to the recordings, right? So these like those three things, like you before the meeting you prepare the agenda, during the meeting you encourage and welcome different perspectives, and you also provide different ways for people to participate in the meeting. So this example of how like meeting hosts could show empathy during workplace when organized meetings, right? So and the other exercise we did during the leadership program is really think about among those three dimensions, which ones is your anchor, which is like your strength, and which ones is your wobble. So yeah, then you can like leverage that to build or rebuild your trust. So which ones do you think is your strengths, and which ones do you think you can work on more? Put on that in the comments. And next time I'll share more examples of how we can apply this into workplace. Thank you.